and pati tong ribbon, kinuha din niya dito. Ganun kami kagaling. Hindi ako makamove on sa ginawa kong bouquet of roses. So what can you say about this?
The best.
And how about you, sir?
Ganda.
And you, sir?
Nice one.
Oh my God, thank you. This bouquet deserves to chill. Ayan. Chill ka lang dyan. Relax ka lang dyan. This bouquet deserves to see the beauty of Cebu. Oh, ayan. Oh, tingin-tingin ka lang dyan. Oh, diba? Dilim. Pak, ganon. Ay, nag-doorbell. This bouquet deserves to open the door. Hi! This bouquet deserves to see its beauty on the mirror. Oh, yan. Oh, kalat ng kwarto. Oh, pak, ganon. This bouquet deserves to be on the spotlight. Oh, yan. Literal na spotlight. Gusto mo yan? This bouquet deserves to have its wish ng moment ngayong Pasko. At dahil dyan, oh, ito ako, mabuhay ang break. This bouquet deserves to shop for Christmas goodies. Oh, yan. Chocolate. Oh, gusto mo ng gingerbread. Oh, house. Oh, ayan. Oh, ayan. Oh, ito pa. Oh, ayan. Oh, bilhin mo. May pera ka. Kuya, anong masasabi mo dito sa bouquet na ginawa ko?
Very nice.
Thank you. Alam ko. This bouquet deserves to have a Merry Christmas. Aalis na si bouquet. O, kailangan safe. O, buckle up. Yay! This bouquet is seated next to Alden Richards. So, what can you say about this? Magsalita ka. Oh.
Welcome to Davao Bouquet! Ay, look! They got you something! Oh, may pa-letter pa. At, buwang...
I deserve to have a selfie with this bouquet.